Welcome once again. As I mentioned yesterday, over the next day or so, I want to ask us all to just spend a few minutes in quiet reflection. Today, I ask us to reflect on the losses that we have experienced over this past year. It's been a difficult year in many, many ways. Perhaps we've lost contact with friends and family members because of our isolation. Perhaps we've experienced a loss of health, loss of a job, loss of income, the end of a marriage through divorce, the loss of a loved one in death or separation. As we think about our losses today, I ask us to do two things. To first grieve our losses, experience the pain, the sorrow, the anger, the hopelessness of our losses, but then to move from grief to acceptance, even to embrace our losses, to be grateful for the time that we had health, job, loved one, income, and to accept the new reality that is ours. Please spend a few minutes today thinking about our losses, grieving them, and then accepting them.